Welcome. From the savannas of Africa, where life teems in abundance, to the frozen poles, where survival is a delicate dance, our planet is a tapestry of wonder. Today, we embark on a different kind of journey. A voyage not measured in miles but in frequencies, a journey through the cosmos guided by the ethereal sounds of dreamstate logic. Prepare to be immersed in a soundscape that transcends the boundaries of our world, a symphony of sound that echoes the majesty of the universe itself. Sit back, relax, and let the music take you beyond the stars. Here, at the very edge of human understanding, lies a realm where the familiar fades and the unknown beckons. This is the realm of Beyond the Veil, a sonic landscape crafted by dreamstate logic to transport us to the far reaches of the universe. Close your eyes, and let the music wash over you. Feel the pull of distant stars, the whisper of cosmic winds, the gentle hum of a universe in constant motion. In this liminal space where the veil between reality and dreams grows thin, we are invited to release our earthly tethers and embrace the infinite possibilities that lie beyond. Let the music be your guide as we venture deeper into this celestial dreamscape. We journey now to the Vela constellation, a celestial tapestry woven with luminous gas clouds and newborn stars. Clouds of Vela envelops us in a sonic nebula, a swirling symphony of sound that evokes the majesty and mystery of this distant corner of the cosmos. Imagine yourself drifting through these celestial clouds, bathed in the soft glow of starlight. Feel the weightlessness of zero gravity, the serenity of a universe unburdened by time. The music carries us deeper into the heart of the nebula, revealing hidden wonders and inspiring a sense of awe at the sheer scale and beauty of the cosmos. From the vastness of interstellar space, we turn our attention inward, exploring the intricate code of existence that binds all things. Every atom, every star, every living creature is governed by a set of fundamental laws, a cosmic blueprint that dictates the rhythm of the universe. Dreamstate logic's composition captures this intricate dance of energy and matter, translating the language of the cosmos into a sonic tapestry that resonates deep within our being. Listen closely and you may just discern the whispers of creation, the echoes of the Big Bang, the subtle hum of life itself unfolding. Chapter 4, Dreamstate Logic, Coherence. In the symphony of the cosmos, there exists a remarkable coherence, a delicate balance between chaos and order. Planets orbit stars with predictable precision, galaxies spiral through the void in a graceful dance, and even the seemingly random movements of subatomic particles adhere to a hidden harmony. This track invites us to attune ourselves to this universal coherence, to feel the interconnectedness of all things. As the music washes over us, we are reminded that we are not isolated beings but rather integral parts of a vast and interconnected web of life. Chapter 5, Dreamstate Logic, Dematerialized. To truly comprehend the universe, we must be willing to shed our earthly constraints, to become dematerialized, to exist as pure consciousness adrift in the cosmic sea. This track serves as our sonic vessel for this transformative journey. As the music swells and recedes, we feel the boundaries of our physical form dissolving, replaced by an expansive awareness that encompasses the totality of existence. We are no longer bound by the limitations of time and space, free to explore the universe with unbound curiosity and wonder. Chapter 6, Dreamstate Logic, Edge of Eternity. Our journey brings us now to the precipice of understanding, to the edge of eternity, where the finite meets the infinite. Here, at the very boundary of time and space, we confront the profound mysteries that have captivated humanity for millennia. What lies beyond the veil of our perception? What is the ultimate fate of the universe? These are questions that have no easy answers, but Dreamstate Logic's composition provides a sonic framework for contemplation. As we listen, we are invited to embrace the unknown, to find solace in the vastness of the cosmos, and to marvel at the enduring mystery of existence. Chapter 7, Dreamstate Logic, Etheric Echoes. Imagine the universe as a vast echo chamber, where every sound, every vibration, every thought reverberates for all eternity. Etheric Echoes captures this concept, weaving a sonic tapestry from the faintest whispers of the cosmos. These echoes may originate from distant galaxies, from the birth of stars, or even from the very dawn of time itself. As we listen, we become privy to the secret history of the universe, a symphony of sound that has been playing out since the beginning of time. Chapter 8. Dreamstate Logic, Hidden Realms. The universe is replete with hidden realms, dimensions unseen by the naked eye yet teeming with unseen wonders. Dreamstate Logic invites us to explore these realms, to journey beyond the familiar and into the uncharted territories of the cosmos. As the music unfolds, we feel the presence of unseen forces, the subtle energies that permeate all of creation. These realms may be hidden from our physical senses, but through the power of sound, we are granted access to their ethereal beauty. Chapter 9. Dreamstate Logic, Infinite Spirals. Look up at the night sky and you will see countless stars, each one a distant sun, many orbited by their own planets. Now imagine zooming out further and further until our own galaxy, the Milky Way, comes into view, a swirling spiral of billions of stars. Infinite Spirals captures the awe-inspiring scale of the cosmos, reminding us that our own galaxy is but one of countless billions scattered throughout the universe. The music evokes a sense of wonder at the sheer vastness of space, while also highlighting the elegant beauty of these celestial spirals. Chapter 10. From the depths of slumber a spark ignites, a pulse of awakening ripples through the cosmos. This track embodies the dynamism of the universe, the constant cycle of creation and destruction, the ebb and flow of energy that drives all things. We feel the surge of cosmic power as new stars are born, the gentle hum of planets orbiting their suns, the quiet whisper of life emerging on distant worlds. The universe is not a static entity, but rather a vibrant, ever-evolving tapestry, and this track serves as a powerful reminder of its boundless energy. Chapter 11. Dreamstate Logic, Silent Universe. Contrary to its depiction in science fiction, the vacuum of space is eerily silent. There is no air to carry sound waves, and yet, there is a profound, silent universe that speaks to us in whispers. This track invites us to embrace this silence, to listen not with our ears, but with our hearts and minds. In the stillness, we may begin to perceive the subtle harmonies of the cosmos, the whispers of distant stars, the gentle hum of the universe itself. Chapter 12. Dreamstate Logic, Synchronicity. Across the vast expanse of space, celestial bodies move with remarkable synchronicity. Planets orbit stars in predictable patterns, galaxies dance around one another in a graceful waltz, and even the seemingly random movements of subatomic particles adhere to a hidden order. This track captures the elegance of this cosmic choreography, translating the language of gravity and motion into a symphony of sound. As we listen, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things, the delicate balance that keeps the universe in perfect harmony. Chapter 13. Dreamstate Logic, Timeless Expanse. Our journey concludes in the timeless expanse of the cosmos, where the constraints of time melt away, and we are left to contemplate the grand sweep of existence. Here, past, present, and future converge, and we catch a glimpse of the eternal dance of creation and destruction that has been playing out for billions of years. Dreamstate Logic's composition evokes a sense of awe at the sheer scale of the universe, while also reminding us of our own place within its grand design. We are but fleeting specks in the vastness of space, yet we are also integral parts of its intricate tapestry. Outro farewell for now. As our journey through the cosmos draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of wonder and a renewed appreciation for the beauty and mystery of the universe. We hope you found peace and relaxation in the music of Dreamstate Logic. a sonic tapestry that has transported us to the far reaches of space and deep within ourselves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more journeys through the universe.